let us take a deep dive into the Sprint Velocity Dashboard in Opsera. The Sprint Velocity Dashboard gives you one unified view of how your team delivers work. It helps you forecast sprint capacity with confidence, spot risks early through dips in velocity, and benchmark against industry standards. Think of it as a performance compass for your sprints. Here's how you set it up. Navigate to Unified Insights. Overview Sprint Velocity Dashboard. Enter a meaningful name and description, and your personalized dashboard will be ready. Next, you'll configure filters to tailor insights. Choose your date range, last sprint, quarter, or a specific timeline. Select organization, project, and fix versions tied to your Jira sprints. Finally, set benchmark goals for each KPI. For example, Elite Sangre 90+ points, High 170, Medium Henry 50. With benchmarks in place, the dashboard highlights where your team is excelling and where improvements are needed. Accuracy matters. That's why Opsera offers a Discrepancy Export, a one-click CSV download that compares Jira API data with Opsera's dashboard. It flags mismatches, missing issues, and saves time during retrospectives and ensures your sprint metrics are audit reliable. For leaders, the leadership view provides a higher-level perspective. Here you can see, say, do, %, how reliable a team is in delivering what they commit to. Team Velocity Report, committed versus delivered points, scope changes, defects. Quadrant Analysis. This chart compares current and past say-do %, helping you spot consistently strong teams, those improving, or those who need immediate attention. Now let's break down the primary metrics you'll use most often. Sprint velocity, completed story points per sprint, your baseline capacity. Planned versus completed %, shows overcommitment or underdelivery. Velocity trend, reveals performance consistency over several sprints. Forecasted capacity predicts how many points your team can realistically commit next sprint. These KPIs are the foundation for reliable sprint planning. Defect density ratio. Speed without quality isn't real progress. This is why defect density ratio is critical. Formula. Defects, story points delivered. Why it matters. A high ratio means more bugs per story point, quality issues. A low ratio means stable delivery and fewer post-release fixes. Issues created versus resolved. It balances incoming versus closed work. If you create more issues than you resolve, backlog grows, debt piles up. A ratio of Dr. 1.0 means you're keeping pace. This metric ensures your workflow can sustain itself without overwhelming the team. Issue completed versus in progress shows flow efficiency, whether work started is actually getting finished. A low ratio signals too much bottlenecks. The Sprint Information Table provides a detailed view of all sprint activity with a toggle to switch between issues and defects. Filters let you drill down by project, sprint, issue type, assignee, or priority. It offers complete visibility into ownership, status, resolution time, and direct Jira links for faster decisions. The Velocity Metrics by Scrum Team KPI breaks down sprint accuracy and delivery efficiency for each team. It helps diagnose over or undercommitment using the say-do ratio, highlights staffing imbalances by comparing team sizes, and benchmarks performance across projects. And that's your complete tour of the Sprint Velocity Dashboard in Opsera. With the Sprint Velocity Dashboard, you're not just measuring productivity, you're unlocking the insights your teams need to deliver faster, with higher quality and greater consistency.